All right, guys, so it's Barrett with Gimpy Gives Back. So we're back here at this same property. Today's goal is to clean the rest of this front yard out. We made a lot of progress through here. Just this stuff at the front. This stuff I'm just going to try to grab with the excavator. It's kind of an issue just because of the uneven ground here, but I think it'll be fine. Then we're going to go along this fence row, which I suspect is going to be the hardest part of today. And then we got some stuff back there in the corner to clear out, and then a couple of little trees over there. So that's going to be our plan for the day. So stick around and help us get it done. All right, guys, so just an update here. We got a lot of these piles cleaned up here. I mean, yeah, there's still a little few limbs here I got to pick up by hand, but we'll get that done after everything else, because I figure as we're dragging the other stuff out, it's going to leave a trail. So I'm not really worried about getting it super clean right now. Now we're going to start working on this fence line, and it's going to be a beast because of all these briars that are in there and the barbed wire fence, but we'll get it done for this guy. All right, so right here's where that fence was with the 2 strands of barbed wire earlier. We got that down. Just showing you from the top what it looks like. Of course, this wasn't too thick. Right here, there's a big thing of vines and briars and whatnot. We got that taken care of. And then back in the corner back here, if I can keep you out of the sun, there we go. We're kind of in the shade a little bit. We got a lot of this stuff. A lot of that, I don't know what those things are, but it's what all those things are down there that are overgrown, that's about 20 foot in diameter. We get those a lot in this area. I got them all over my yard, and they pop up out of nowhere, and if you don't watch them, you got a tree in your yard feels like the next week. But still got a little bit to clear out over here. There's some chain link fence in there, and I'm going to do all that when we do the actual driveway part. So got everything else cut down, I think. I'm going to leave this tree. So I think it can add a little bit of shade and stuff over here and not be in the way. I probably will catch that little scraggly one over there. I didn't really see it till right now. It's blocked in anyway. But I did cut down those couple at the fence down there that we talked about. And yeah, that's what it's looking like. All right, guys, so it's the end of the day. I spent a few hours here working. You know, I got a lot of this cleaned up in the front yard. Now I got 3 big old brush piles again, so I gotta burn that. I don't know if I'll be able to burn tomorrow because it's supposed to be windy, I think. So we'll have to see about that and see if there's any burn permits available. But I'm trying to stay out of the sun so you can't see it all, but there's a big pile here. There's a little thing there. I've got also, see if we can get over there without getting the sun, I think so. Big pile here in the like a 30-foot pile at the top, 30 foot long. So, you know, we're getting there. If I can't burn tomorrow, my plan is to come over and start clearing this out, and then we'll get both of these things done. Then we'll do the backyard, and then we can do up around the driveway where we gotta clean around these cars and stuff and try to organize this stuff a little bit. I think I'm gonna be setting some of that stuff in the backyard and just wherever we can. Because obviously not my stuff, so I can't just haul it off or whatever. So we'll get it straightened out one way or another, because this guy's depending on us to get it done. And when we say we're gonna get it done, we get it done. So if you like what you see here, check out this video right here, and that'll tell you exactly what we're doing, what we're up to, and our plan for the near future. So thanks guys for joining us, and we'll talk to you next time.